Okay, here we are. Another day of stupidity. Potato cannon charged to 70 psi. 10-foot barrel. The unfortunate toilet and what's left of a Dell computer. PSI, let's go for it. Ready?
Yep. Oh, look, it's stuck.
We have toilet destruction. 2 layers of computer. There's the first layer.
There's a second layer. Look, it's got things stuck in it. It's got plastic.
What's stuck in there, huh?
Plastic.
Piece of plastic, huh?
Yeah. I don't know how we're gonna get that out.
That is jammed in there. Oh, that sucks. Okay, until next time.